All right, so I just unpacked the heater pretty much as described. It has a handle for easy transport, and it has the kill switch at the bottom. So if it tips over, it turns off. If we plug it in, there is the mode button, which would be fan only. And as you can hear, that's kind of the one thing I don't like, is how loud it is. Then it has the fan only, heat 1, heat 2. Seems like heat 2 is a little kind of less than heat 1. You can see it reads the temperature. So once you have it on a heat setting, you can adjust the temperature to what you want, and the heater will try to get to that temperature. And there's also a timer feature or oscillating feature. I mean, it puts out a good amount of air, so I'm sure it's going to warm up the room pretty quickly. And then it did come with the remote. So overall, it's all right. I just wish that it would be a little quieter.